Hi everyone, I will show you how to auto-generate hundreds of custom certificates in 3 minutes using Google Sheet, Google Slide, and a free tool called AutoCrat. Step 1. Create your certificate design in Google Slides. Design it as you want, then prepare full name and company as the placeholders. We will later replace these values with multiple names and company names from a Google Sheet. Step 2. Open your Google Sheet. Your very top row must be your headers. Try to match the column names in the header with the placeholder names in the Google slide. Fill out the rows underneath with your actual recipient data. Step 3. Install the tool. In your Google Sheet menu, click Extensions, go to Add-ons, then select Get Add-ons. Search for AutoCrat, click Install, grant the permissions. The permissions are quite extensive because it wants to access your Google Slide and Google Drive for saving the files later. Step 4. Configure the automation. Go back to Extensions, open AutoCrat, and click New Job. Name your project. On the next screen, click from Drive and select your certificate slide template. Under the Merge tab, you have to select the sheet name containing your recipients list. AutoCrat will automatically read your tags. After that, you have to do the mapping between the Google Sheet column and the placeholder names in the Google slide. Step 5. Export as a single PDF. In the file settings, change the output format to PDF. For the output type, choose single output mode instead of multiple files. This compiles every single certificate into one continuous PDF file inside your Google Drive. Choose the root of the Google Drive or in any other place for the output file. There are other settings after that step, but the column mapping and output file will be enough for most cases. Once done, click Save at the last settings page. Step 6. After saving, click the play button to start generating certificates. You can redo this next time if you have updated names. Once the job is complete, open your Google Drive and your compiled PDF is ready to print. That's all. Thank you. Subscribe.